Hello, everybody. Let's draw a card today. Release your worries and receive universal abundance. What number will the dice pick today? Number 3. You are not responsible for the programming you received in childhood. As an adult, you are 100% responsible for fixing it. Easier said than done. Don't you wish you could invoice people for wasting your time? I wonder if somewhere there's a cup of coffee thinking of me too. That one's cute. The greatest gift you can give another person is your own happiness. Yes, yes, yes. I love being me. It pisses off all the right people. And the last one today. Make yesterday the last day you spent sacrificing your time and energy for people who are only there to take advantage of your kindness. All right. Thank you. Adios.